Versarien at the moment is concentrating on two-dimensional materials, predominantly graphene. And graphene is a carbon-based, single atom thick, about 1/1000th the thickness of a human hair. And what we do is we take these materials, which are in a powder form or a liquid form, and then we mix them with other things like polymers to produce these kind of components. So this is an example of a phone case, but it could be anything from a mobile phone to an aircraft part to an automotive part of the interior, part of the exterior. The reason graphene is such a big game changer is the fact that this science didn't exist a few years ago. What we now know is when we include these materials into other materials, we radically alter their behavior. Either its strength, its elongation, its fracture mechanics, all of these are changed radically through the introduction of graphene. The second property is the thermodynamics. The ability for this material to be able to transfer heat is almost unprecedented. Third thing that these materials do extremely well is the transport of electricity. Versarien's material is the best in the market currently available, and that can be demonstrated through the extensive testing that's been done by the company and by independent test houses. Currently, we're the only and the first independently certified graphene producer in the world. The market potential for graphene is huge, so it can impact on every single part of society that we know of. It doesn't matter whether it's transportation, consumer goods, right the way through to water purification and packaging. It can make a massive difference to almost everything that we know. What we're seeing with our customers now is that they're really getting to that point where they've done all their testing, they've shown the benefits of using this whole new science, and are now getting to the point of including it into their products for release. We've recently held an Investors Day. It's about us being able to demonstrate to our shareholders significant progress, and we always include our private investors as well as our institutional investors in these events. As an engineer, it's really important that we've held this investor event here next to Concorde, an iconic piece of engineering which demonstrates what can be achieved. Concorde was a vision into leading a new industrial revolution. We're seeing commercialization of those initial technologies, the validation of the business model for graphene, but actually we're only just seeing a glimpse of what's possible. Behind this, there's between 2,000 and 5,000 new materials that could be developed and have commercial applications. At Versarien, we're already delivering on the promises we've made. We have an incredible product with limitless possibilities that we know solves these engineering problems. And we welcome you to join us on the rest of our journey.